Brace for Hurricane Beryl. Met Office says system could begin impacting Jamaica by Wednesday. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, trending down. Violent crimes in St. Andrew South Police Division declined by 21%. And St. James Municipal Corporation going after homeowners who refuse to settle property taxes. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.